My name is Ely Wahbeh. I'm the Vericut Product Manager. Simulation is taking a virtual machine and mimicking what's happening with the real machine. Verification is a simple method of comparing the NC program as it's removing material. So you can verify that your NC program that was programmed by hand or by CAM is actually cutting the part correctly. Then you add the matter of simulation, where now you add the actual digital machine on top of it. That machine shows you the machine motion. While it's verifying the part, you see the machine moving around on the screen. In that case, if we have any collisions, it gets recorded. You want to have any sort of collisions, any sort of mistake to happen in the digital world, not on the real machine, because you'll be downtime, there is repair. While if it crashes in simulation, push of a button, everything goes back to perfect. Then you say, this program is ready to run on the real machine. Part of verification, we have several different modules. One of them is an autodiff module, where it actually compares the cut part that was machined to the actual design. And it tells you that your part has been machined correctly, if it has still excess material on it, or if you gouged it. Even if you don't do this, part of verification is you can, once it's finished machining, you can actually measure the part. You can measure dimension, you can measure diameters, you can measure distances. Did it cut the part correctly? Did it do all the work that it needed to do? Verification and simulation is a simple insurance to make sure that your part is cut correctly in the digital world instead of on the machine. This way, your machine is making money for you versus being used for proving out programs. It'll save you peace of mind. You get to go to sleep at night because everything has been verified, and you can actually run the machine 24/7 instead of just piece by piece.